carburetor's way too high, but after about 6 pulls without the decompression, it started right up for you, Jimbus Maximus. Seems pretty strong. I'll try to idle it down a tad. I'll try to mess with it a little bit. My carburetor expertise is it's decent, medium. It's kind of a skill I learned just the last year or two, but I do like the fact that you don't have to use the decompression valve. You just have to be the real man that I thought you had to be. So that thing started right up after about 7 pulls, and the guy that got it from me, I guess I failed to communicate exactly how to start them, but we're going to send you that extra orange cover, Jimbus. Send you some extra starter assays, because this one's no good. I mean, I mean, you can get it to catch after pulling it a few times.